You want to wreck the pins. Well, you need a bowling ball that says Wrecker on it. It's a step up from the hustle, but a step down from the idle. Guess what? We have the Ultimate Wrecker. Let's talk about it. All right, bowlers, so 90% of you are not subscribed to the channel just yet. We just want to let you know that we create real content. We do leave that 10 pin once in a while. If I throw a bad shot, it's in there too. But the whole goal is to wreck the pins. So do me a favor, wreck that subscribe button right now. Make sure to like the video. And there's gonna be a lot of awesome content coming to you from Pro Approach's YouTube channel. So again, make sure to subscribe. Now let's get into it. All right, so we have the Ultimate Wrecker. We just talked about it. And we're gonna get this ball drilled up today with a 50 by 4.5 by 30 layout. The RG is 2.54, 0.45 differential. It's gonna be a clean, responsive hybrid bowling ball here from Roto Grip. And it's in the HP2 line, which I know a lot of those Roto Grip fans out there are looking for a ball like this. You don't want to just automatically go down to the hustle, and we need something that fills the gap between the idle series. So here we have the Ultimate Wrecker. Let's get this ball drilled up right now. All right, people, here we go again. Ultimate Wrecker out on the lanes from Roto Grip. We're gonna take a look and see what this thing does. Basically, it's a lower performance ball, but you're gonna get a lot of down lane motion. So if you guys wanna be an Ultimate Wrecker, whether that's good or bad, I'm not sure, but we're gonna find out right now. Let's check it out. Whoa. Well, that wasn't anything like my warm-up shot, so I'm just gonna have to hit the oopsie button there and see if we can strike. Yeah, had a couple strikes in the warm-up, but don't judge me on that one. Yeah, I wrecked the pins. You guys see that? Okay, so I missed in there. The other one was perfect. I got it further right. That one was further in. It saw more of the oil. I'm still standing on 25, but I had a little angle change there in the front, so I didn't quite strike there, but let's roll another shot and see what happens. I'm gonna move. What do you guys think? Should I move? Last couple videos, I had a guy that told me, oh, you can't move further left and stuff. So we're gonna move further left and bowl like a pro. Watch this. Oh, so close. Yeah, maybe I need a little more practice, huh, guys? What do you guys think? I think I'm doing all right, though. So I can't even remember the guy's name on the last video, but shout out to you, man. You inspired me. I'm only gonna get better. Okay, I just need to get the ball to the break point. So I'm still liking this. It's getting further down the lane, but maybe a little too far for right now. It is an HP2 line ball from Roto Grip. I'm gonna make sure my break point's further right, meaning I'll have more down lane reaction. Oh, so definitely further right at the break point. I'm gonna bowl one more shot with this and then we'll compare it to the Storm Typhoon. One more shot, one more. I'm getting tired. You guys really make me work a lot. All right, there's the strike I was looking for. So now let's take a look at the Storm Typhoon. All right, so we're gonna take the Vice IT, go ahead and stick it right here in the Storm Typhoon. And as you guys know, and you should know already, that this is a weaker bowling ball. In my last video and the layout, this is just a little bit further away from my axis, so it's gonna go a little further anyway due to the layout. Let's see what it does. So long, controllable shape, got the ball further to the friction. It didn't overreact and it just rolled back into the pins. That was a great shot. You guys tell me. That's all. Just tell me. Tell me something. Okay. So I got that one inside a target again, like I did the Wrecker, just to see if that ball would be similar, and it kind of was, right? So I think there is a little bit of a blend between these two. They do kind of fill a similar gap in the bag. Typhoon's a little bit longer, not as strong. Wrecker's gonna be in long term, it'll be more forgiving. Let's get back to the Wrecker, do a few more shots, and let's finish this up here. You guys ready? Let's wreck some pins. Okay, we're back with the Ultimate Wrecker. Here we go. Whoa, lots of friction on that one. That one shaped a lot. So if you guys are looking for down lane motion, the Wrecker's gonna be great. Let's get our angles a little bit tighter and make sure we strike. Okay, that was definitely inside. Let's find a compromise right in between and finish this up. Oh. I'm gonna finish on a strike. It's a good shot, but I got a strike. You know what's realistic is that people all do all these videos all the time and all they show you is strikes. It's not realistic. We show you real stuff like that. Now that's what I'm talking about, people. That was the ultimate strike. We're gonna head back into the shop now and we'll finish this up. We're back here in the bowling store here at Oak Tree Pro Approach. The Ultimate Wrecker, guys. Lots of back-end motion. We did compare it to the Storm Typhoon, which was a long and controllable ball, but the Wrecker is a long and snappy ball, right? So if you're ready to wreck the pins, all you gotta do is go to proapproachbowling.com, order one now, or just simply stop into one of our Pro Approach locations here in Southern California. If you wanna watch more about the Storm Typhoon or any of our other videos, check it out right here, and we'll see you all in the next video and out on the lane.